Best acne treatment. Tea tree oil. With its natural inflammation-fighting properties, a 5% solution of tea tree oil is less harsh than a 5% benzoyl peroxide solution and can be just as effective against acne, though it may clear up a little less quickly. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with between 20 and 40 drops of witch hazel, then use a cotton swab to apply. Try this remedy up to twice a day. More could dry your skin and make the acne worse. Green tea. Green tea has antimicrobial and antioxidant compounds that can help fight acne. To get its effects, use a cooled cup of green tea as a face wash or lay the bag over the affected area. Baking soda. Baking soda is a common household item with literally hundreds of uses, including the ability to help heal scars. Baking soda is composed of sodium bicarbonate crystals which gently exfoliate skin when used as a cleansing scrub. Just mix a few teaspoons of baking soda with enough water to form a thick paste, then massage into skin where scars are present. Once applied, you should leave the mixture on for a minute or two. This will allow the soda to cleanse pores and help prevent further blemishes. After a couple of minutes, wash your face in lukewarm water and apply a good natural moisturizer like rosehip seed, jojoba, coconut, or olive oil. Do this about once every other day for great results. Honey. Honey's antibiotic properties can help improve acne. Apply a teaspoon of honey to affected areas, or make a mask by mixing half cup of honey with 1 cup of plain oatmeal and leaving it on for 30 minutes. Mint. Mint can help remove pore clogging oil. To help clear acne before it begins, mix 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh mint with 2 tablespoons each of plain yogurt and oatmeal. Use a blender to pulverize the oatmeal to powder. Leave the concoction on your face for 10 minutes, then rinse off with water.